Hey, what is up guys? This is Phil from Cerberus Airsoft, and we got something a little different for you today. Our teammate Mack let me use his Tokyo Marui AA12 at Strikeforce South, and it was an absolute blast to see what it was like. Definitely different than the CZ Scorpion that I'm used to using, or any other AEG for that matter. But just like most shotguns on the market, this one is a tri-shot with 3 separate hop-ups. But not like other shotguns out there, this one is electric and capable of full auto like the real steel AA12. Unfortunately, full auto is not allowed on this field because that would be completely overpowered. But anyway, I'll shut up now. Enjoy the gameplay.
Thanks, fucking head. What the?
Hope you guys enjoyed that short gameplay with the Tokyo Marui AA12. I only had it for that one game, and after editing the footage, it turns out to be a shorter video than I expected. So hopefully I can use it again and make another video with it because it was a lot of fun. It's also worth mentioning that we're working on another few videos taken here at Strikeforce featuring Chris with his Jag Arms SP2 scattergun.
You got that side?
And the newest member of our team, Nick, aka Anubis, with his KWA MP9.
I'm gonna lose.
So keep an eye out for those. If you like this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. But until next time, this is Phil from Cerberus Airsoft. Peace.